Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we learn about the disease atherosclerosis. Atherosclerosis is also known as arteriosclerotic vascular disease, which is also called the ASVD, the condition in which plaque build up in your arteries. This plaque is made up of fat, calcium, cholesterol and the other substance present in the blood. This can lead to serious health issues including the heart attack and death. It can affect the arteries of the body including the arteries of the heart, brain, arms and the leg, etc. Causes: atherosclerosis start with damage or the injury to the inner layer of artery. The damage may be caused by high blood pressure, high cholesterol, an irritant such as nicotine, certain disease such as diabetes. Sign and symptoms: atherosclerosis symptoms depend on the condition which arteries of the body are affected. For example, atherosclerosis in heart artery have symptoms similar to those of heart attack such as chest pain. Atherosclerosis in the artery of the brain have symptoms such as sudden numbness or weakness in your arms or the leg, difficulty in speaking or dropping muscles in your face. Atherosclerosis in the arteries of arm and leg produce the decreased blood flow which is called the peripheral artery occlusive disease. Have symptoms such as leg pain when walking. Sometimes atherosclerosis causes the erectile dysfunction in the men. Test and the diagnosis: doctor may find the sign of narrowed, enlarged and the hardened arteries during the physical examination of the patient. These include a weak or absent pulse below the narrowed area of the artery, decreased blood pressure in an affected limb, sign of pulsating bulge in abdomen or behind the knee, evidence of poor wound healing in the area where blood flow is restricted. Depending on the result of physical examination, doctor may suggest one or more diagnostic tests including the blood test, Doppler ultrasound test, ankle branchial index test, other imaging tests such as CT scan, MRI scan, X-ray, angiogram and the electrocardiogram. Treatment and the drug: lifestyle change such as eating a healthy diet and the exercise are often the first line of defense in treating the atherosclerosis, but sometimes medication or the surgical procedure may be recommended as well. Medication procedure or the treatment include the antiplatelet medication. Doctor may prescribe the antiplatelet medication to the patient such as aspirin to reduce the likelihood that platelets will clump in narrowed arteries, form a blood clot and cause the further blockage. Anticoagulant: an anticoagulant such as heparin and the warfarin can help the thin blood to prevent the clot from the forming. Blood pressure medication: medication to control the blood pressure such as beta blocker, ACE inhibitor and the calcium channel blocker can help to slow the progression of disease atherosclerosis. Some surgical treatment is also used to treat the disease atherosclerosis. First one is thrombolytic therapy. If you have an artery that blocked by the blood clot, your doctor may insert a clot dissolving drug into your arteries at the point of the clot to break it up. Second one is bypass surgery. Your doctor may create a graft bypass using a vessels from the another part of your body or a tube made up of synthetic fabric. This allows the blood to flow around the blocked or the narrowed arteries. Lifestyle change and the home remedies: Lifestyle change can help to prevent or to slow the progression of disease atherosclerosis. Stop smoking, exercise most of the day of the week, eat healthy foods, manage the stress, and manage the condition of high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, and the other chronic condition is help to prevent the progression of disease. Thank you everyone.